Welcome to the LINQ Promenade with tons of dining, drinks, other activities, zip lines, and of course the high roller. So much fun and action here to take part of when on the Las Vegas Strip. We're right in the heart of it all. Let's head right in and start taking a look at some stuff to do. They got some of those Chippendales guys outside of the margarita that's at the entrance, so if you want some pictures with them, they're available. Then further in here, we got the Buddy V's Jersey Eats for some nice bites you can grab from their little truck thing. Let's keep going. And of course, there's always the daiquiri bar to grab some drinks from. That's also next to the Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips, another counter spot to people watch at while having a light time. Don't skip out on one of the frozen Baileys from O'Shea's. Really fun casino right within the LINQ Hotel Casino. This is my goodbye if they stop me from filming. Over here by InNOut is where they stopped me last time. That InNOut aroma right over there. Now we're on the pool deck area of the Influence LINQ pool, just above the main center part. And there's a lot of stuff here. Over on the LINQ side, accessible from the pool, is a Virgil's Barbecue that we visited in my full LINQ video. Be sure to also check out that to see more about stuff in the LINQ and on the LINQ side of the promenade. Aside from that, there's also the off-the-strip American restaurant and the Chayo Mexican tequila bar and restaurant. Some really fun options around here. Across from us, over on where the Flamingo side is located, there's also an InNOut burger, which I consider one of the best spots here on the Las Vegas Strip, and especially on the promenade, to find a cheap bite to eat. You can either quickly eat there or grab and walk around with. It's a really great option for $4 or $5 hamburgers. A West Coast favorite of mine as an Angelino. There's also a place next to it called Flour and Barley's, which is like a pizza and pasta place. Let me know if you'd want to see me go to that in the future. It looks pretty good. I haven't been yet. From here, you can also see the LINQ Zipline, which has people darting up and down the promenade along it. See them going all the way to the end where the high roller Ferris wheel is located. One of the largest in the world. I don't know if it's the largest anymore. I know it used to be, but definitely one of the largest. And also down by that area, there's a yard house, which used to have a great happy hour you could go to, although they took away the happy hour for the strip location, but still a fun, like, American grill type of restaurant that you can get burgers and other bites at. And of course, the cheese curds. Oh yeah, and another thing you might want to check out on the other side of InNOut Burger is the IceBar. You've probably seen it in other videos. They're, as you might think from the name, covered in ice inside and give you drinks made out of ice. It's cold, but interesting experience, and something you can definitely do to escape some of the extreme heat that Vegas can definitely get sometimes in the summer months. For an option that's a little less chilly, I Love Sugar, a candy store on the ground floor. A little bit pricey, but delectable, tasty, sugary options. I mean, if you're on vacation after all, why not enjoy a little bit of splurging on some candy? If you feel like having some cocktails, you might want to go up to their second level, where they have very sugary, as you may assume, and colorful cocktail concoctions. I don't necessarily consider it my favorite spot for cocktails, because obviously that's a lot of sugar, but it's also something that's a lot of fun to try out. Aside from those spots and activities, something you may want to keep in mind is that the LINQ Promenade itself is privately owned by Caesars. You know, they own both Flamingo and the LINQ. The sidewalk just at the entrance is full of, you know, those kind of solicitors and people trying to get photos from you. They're not allowed to be on the promenade itself, but just watch out for them. They'll be trying to nab you and trying to sell you their little things or whatever. So just be aware, you know, a lot of people call them scams and that sort of thing. I mean, if you want to take a picture with someone, why not? Just know they're going to be expecting some cash from you. So just let them know up front, like, hey, can I give you like 10 or 15 bucks or something like that? Like, just be ready to expect that. And aside from those other spots I was telling you about, there's also a jaw burrito for sushi burritos. Something fun and different if you hadn't had something like that before. And then, if you can hear me speaking over them, they have live performances a lot at this favorite restaurant and bar, cocktails, a lot of American food, that sort of thing. And like I said, live performances like what are going on right now. Another great people watching spot to enjoy some food, drinks, and the live performances. All right, let's keep going. More live music and bowling at the Brooklyn Bowl. Comedy club as well. Jimmy Kimmel Comedy Club, that is. My fave, or used to be my fave when they still had their happy hour, but Yard House. So we're reaching the area where the high roller is located towards the end. So we're just past Yard House right here at the end of the promenade, and where you go to get to the LINQ High Roller and also get tickets for it. So general admission is around like $35 or so, or if you want their happy hour, which are the cabins that has the unlimited like open bar, those are around $60. A little quick tip, if you look in the Caesars app, you should be able to find a $5 off coupon that you can use for tickets to the High Roller, as well as for the LINQ Zipline. Anyways, there they go. So that's the LINQ Promenade. Sorry for not making it on to the zip line or the high roller itself. Maybe in the future I'll get myself a GoPro or something like that and take you with me, and let me know if that's something you want to see. Be sure to comment below your favorite activities here at the LINQ Promenade. Also, let me know what I should do next here in Las Vegas. I want to know what you guys want to see, so I make videos that you're interested in. Please do let me know. But other than that, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you can see more in Los Angeles and Las Vegas and beyond in the future. And also, go check out my full LINQ hotel after this one, so you can see more about its pool, the room, the casino, and everything else that the LINQ itself has to offer. But with that, I'll see you later, and stay for the bloopers. Thanks. Let's head out. We're taking a look at some stuff to do.
Vance.
Yeah.
Let me fix your collar.
Promenade, and there's a lot of here. A lot of fun. They have the cabinets.
Get the cheese curds. Oh, I want to get more gummy frogs. Get the gummy frogs. No, but I'm stopping by to get more.
Because this will cut from where I was up there. Yeah, let's pause it for now. And where you go to get to the LINQ, I was about to say promenade, and where you go as for the zip rollering.
Wise words from Parker. A rare sight.
Rare.
It's a wrap.